Hello everyone, this is V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is some kits that I made. They will be up for sale on my Instagram very soon. And I also want to let you know of an update that I have. I opened up a Ko-fi. It is linked below, and I will be selling some projects that I make here and there. So anything that you see on the channel, you could check out my Ko-fi. It'll be linked below and see if it's available for sale. So I have these kits. These are my first kits, and they're in this little vinyl hot pink envelope. Here, I made them very affordable, so they're going to be very affordable. Here is the little chunky charm. It's a miniature one, chunky charm that will be clipped to the side of the envelope, and as you open it, you'll see that there is, I left this open so I could show you guys, but you'll see these back clips. So all of them have a back clip, and of course they're different. Everyone is different. So in their own unique way, they will have a skeleton on the side along with another bead. So there's two beads hanging out there. The back is very clean. So I made sure to take my time and keep everything very clean, organized, and presentable. So here is that little bat embellishment. Okay, next is, I know a lot of you were liking the pumpkins, the crochet pumpkins that my mom made, and so you're gonna get the 4 of them in this little kit, so 4 pink pumpkins. And okay, so if you go on Etsy and you see these little charms here, they're going for like 10 bucks, and so are these crochet pumpkins. They're going for about 7. So I've made it very affordable, so when you do see the list and you see the price, you'll see that I did make it very affordable. So, and then I added some of these wire wrap beads, and they're in this little tiny container. So here they are, and this is what you get. So they're miniatures. So you get some really small, and then the pumpkin wire wrap beads in gold. And I love that little ghost there. So you get that. You also get a sequence mix. And the sequence mix are different. I believe there's 2 of the black and then 2 pumpkins. So these are from Target, and you know, they come in a pack of like 6 or so for about 5 bucks. And so I picked these up, I believe, the year before, last year. So this is what you get. I want to show you the mix because it has some cute little pink pumpkins in there. And if you could see right there, there's a little cute little pink pumpkin, and you'll see that throughout the mix. You'll see pumpkins, you'll see bats and ghosts. Here's a ghost right there. I hope that's picking it up. So there's the ghost, there's the pumpkin. Let's see if I could find something else. There's some hearts, there's a ghost, and there, oh, look at this one. This is a pink pumpkin with a pink hat. Isn't that cute? I think those are so cute. So yeah, this mix is a very bright and fun mix to match the 31 collection by Frank Garcia. So that's it right there, and see if I could put it all back. So you get a lot of this, so there's a lot of that. And then you also will be getting this, it's roughly about 12 inches long, and this is that pink trim that I was raving about. And I gathered it together for you guys and made a little ruffle. It's about 12 inches, probably a little bit more. Let me check. So yeah, it's about 15. So 15 inches, 12 to 15 inches, give or take, for the others. And there's one kit that will be slightly different because I didn't have enough of this pink. So that one kit will be the last kit so whoever is the last person to grab one of these will get that one. So this is the trim that I love. I love the black pom-pom on it. And and so it's gonna be in a bag and in this kit. So let's go ahead and get the next one. Next is this right here, and I put some ghost stickers on this bag, and it's one of those the bulldog clips, and each one will have one of these Frank Garcia charms on it. So all it is just a clip. Let me see if I could clip it onto something. Let's clip it on this right here. So it would clip on like that, and then you would have all the beads, and there's plenty of beads here. I made sure to pile those beads on and then pile this on. I love this as a focal point. So pretty. So you get that lobster clasp and the beads go all around it. So even on this side, you'll see it. On the back, you'll see beads. So yeah, that is it right there. And then along with the other stuff, you get this, and this clips off. So easy. So let me go ahead and put everything that you get right in order here. So it's all of this right here. A little kit to start. It's very windy here, so if you hear the wind, yeah. So everything to start, a junk journal, to put into your scrapbook. Here's the embellishment. Everything to start a little tiny embellishment book if needed. So that is all you get right there. And so the rest, let me go ahead and show you the last one. So everything will be, everything's not the same because unfortunately it is handmade, and you know, handmade is different all the time. Every single piece is in its own unique design. And so see, there's going to be some with the pumpkin tube, and then the others with the bat tube. So and then the pumpkins range in size because, you know, sometimes you can't make these the same always. So like this one is smaller version than this one. This one has all 4 pieces and it's just slightly bigger. And so okay, so this one is the last kit that will be offered. So there is the embellishment right there. This one is open, so let me go ahead and show you. So like all the bat embellishments are all different. So that one's it right there. There it is. Everything's nice and clean, nice and presentable. I took my time, made sure everything was nice and clean. No glue smears anywhere. So my very first kit, this was very hard to make, you guys. I kudos to the people who sell on a regular basis because it is very time consuming, very hard. So this is the last one, and this is the ribbon that you will get. This is also in pink, and it has black cats along with some skulls, and it's ruffled. So this one is approximately 15 inches as well. So about 1.5 feet for each. And so everything else is the same on this, roughly the same. So let's see if I could show you all of the bat embellishments. So one of them will contain this one. Let's see. One will contain one of these. Hopefully you can see that. It's so gloomy out right now. California is, well, in my neck of the woods, it's windy and rainy. And I know some places are getting heavy rain due to that cyclone that's happening up north. But this is another one. I love this moon right here. Oh my goodness. I used the Hey Pumpkin moon and I love it. The moon and then a bat flying over it. So again, very clean and presentable. Everything's done very... I took my time, you guys. I took my time. That's why I'm so... I guess I'm not sure if I'm late to this kit stuff, but that is all, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and I will see you on Instagram if you're willing to grab one. There's only 5. I was originally gonna sell 4, and I managed to put together another one with this ribbon. So for Christmas, hopefully I will have something better. So I want you guys, if you guys go to my Ko-Fi, check out my description. This is the reason why I'm selling my stuff. This was not my original plan to do this. This is my hobby and I wanted to keep it that way, but unfortunately, you know, sometimes things happen. And so you could check that out and check out why I'm suddenly decided to sell. So check it out and hopefully I will see you guys on Instagram. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.